YouTube, Hacker7 here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys an interesting application which you can use on your Android device to allow your screen display to be on for until you turn it off. So I know most Android devices, they don't have the option of keeping your screen turned on forever. However, in my phone, as you can see here, screen timeout, I have the option of setting it to be turned on until I decide to turn it off. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys an easy application which you can use. So it's this application right here. It is called Coffee. So once you tap into the app, as you can see, we could add a toggle to the home screen. So let's do that, and it will look just like this. So let's add it. So as you can see, we could simply press it and Coffee has been turned on. So now our screen timeout will not, well, our screen will not time out. It will remain on until we turn off Coffee. So the other option is that we could also add Coffee to the notification bar. So simply click on edit, and as you can see, we have quite a few options here. So let's click on the Coffee, let's click on the save, and we could also control it from the notification bar. So if we should pull down and tap on Coffee, as you can see, it's turned off. So if we should tap on it again, and as you can see, the notification here, keeping display on, tap to turn off. So that is a simple way in which you could always keep your display on if you don't have the option in your settings, because you know you might be downloading something from Google and your device might sometimes turn off and the download might corrupt. However, this is a solution which will keep your screen always on, so you don't have that issue to worry about. So that is it for this video, guys. If you found this app useful, please let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Hacker7 out.